Hello everyone, how are you? I am Lory here. So happy to be here today on the Hip Kit Club YouTube channel to show you how I have created this fabulous cut file background. First of all, I cut with my Silhouette Cameo this fall background, foliage background, and I covered it with my my modeling paste, something like modeling paste, but shiny. It's a shiny paste that I have in my stuff. So first of all, I covered it. I placed on the gray cardstock kit, and I took attention to cover completely the leaves where I would that they were. So in this way, I had a little background with leaves that was perfect for my idea of this layout and this story. I dry, as you can see in the video, I dry my background with the embossing with the hot gun, and then I started to play with patterned papers, many pieces of papers that I had in my leftovers from the other works I made, and I chose of course, as you know, an autumn picture of my boy of Andrea. I tear all the ages of my papers, and then I made many levels, one of another, so all these pieces together, and then the picture. I just put together all the pieces with my stapler, so with some just point of my stapler, and adhere the picture above all the pieces. I just played with many pieces of die cuts from the Days of Splendor collection from Pink Fresh Studio, and many pieces. I fussy cut some flowers from the paper of the Marigold collection from Crate Paper, and then I just added other die cuts from another cut file that you can find from October 2019 or November, if I don't get wrong. So I have just to added many pieces, many die cut from from florals and from the ephemeras of this collection, Days of Splendor of Pink Fresh Studio, that I really love. I think that the mix of these kits is really perfect. I have adored at the first sight these kits all together. I loved the cardstocks and the patterned paper together and the embellishment kit. They are so well mixed together, so you don't need to think to combine different elements and different colors, and it's everything. It's really simple and so inspiring to create. So I had a lot of fun creating this page, and play with many pieces, with many different tiny details to add to my page and to my story. I love them, absolutely love them. I took a look to these kids from a lot of time, and I was so excited to can create with them finally. So okay, when I think that everything is okay put together, you have to know that I do sometimes I do so many tries before to adhere everything to my to the page, because I am I am so a kind of precise scrapbooker. Uh, I want that everything is in the right place, and in the same time, at the same time, is perfect all together. That all together, all the pieces are perfect together. So each piece of my page has to have its own place, but at the same time, everything has to be perfect combined together. So just glue all my cutout cut file from the leaves, the loose leaves cut file, and then I started to just add little touches, so little embellishments here and there to give dimensions to my page and to give dynamism to my page. So I hope you like it and you will be inspired to create yours. To be true, once one time ago I didn't like so much Florence, and instead in this moment I really love them. I would like to use them in every page I made. I don't know why. It's crazy. As you can see, I changed the place of my embellishments so many times, trying and retrying and retrying. So, the rule that I advise always when I write a post, when I write something about my creative process is don't overthink to all the materials that you want to use. Don't think, just play, and everything will come together so easily. So, okay, I have just added leaves and some embellishments, and so these these little words, gold words, are gorgeous, and it was perfect for my. I have just tried for the first time with Remember, but I thought that Smile would be better. So I changed idea and then just added Smile, yeah, on my page. So, okay, great. For the final touch, I just added um, some letters from the little alphabet from Days of Splendor of Pink Fresh Studio, and just it. So hope you like it and can't wait to see your creations in the Hip Kit Club group. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Sending you hugs and kisses. Bye bye.